Did you know that 75% of our daily decisions are driven by habit? That means most of us are on autopilot, missing out on creative breakthroughs. What if I told you that stepping out of your routine could unlock amazing new ideas? In today's fast-paced world, thinking outside the box isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. According to a study by the World Economic Forum, creativity will be one of the top skills needed in the next decade. Yet, many people struggle to break free from conventional thinking. Why is this so crucial? Because innovation often happens when we challenge the status quo. In fact, 85% of the world's most successful companies say that creativity is key to their success. But how can you cultivate this elusive quality? In this video, we're diving into 6 powerful strategies that will help you unleash your creative potential. From embracing your inner child to harnessing the chaotic beauty of randomness, we'll explore unique and practical methods to transform your problem-solving skills. Ready to break free from the ordinary? Let's discover how to think outside the box and make creativity your superpower. Chapter 1. Unleashing your inner child. Embrace playfulness. Creativity isn't just for artists and inventors. We all have it within us, waiting to be unlocked. One of the best ways to tap into your creative potential is by embracing your inner child. Remember how imaginative you were as a kid? That sense of wonder is still there, you just need to find it again. Playing isn't just for children. In fact, studies show that engaging in playful activities can boost creativity in adults. A study by the University of Illinois found that playfulness is linked to innovative thinking. When we play, we let go of constraints and open our minds to new possibilities. Try this: set aside time each day for unstructured play. It could be anything from doodling, building with Lego, or even playing a video game. Let your mind wander and see where it takes you. Another great technique is imaginative play. Pretend you're someone else: a detective solving a mystery, a chef creating a new dish, or an astronaut exploring a new planet. This can help you see problems from different angles and come up with creative solutions. Doodling is another powerful tool. It might seem trivial, but doodling can actually enhance focus and spark new ideas. A study published in Applied Cognitive Psychology found that doodling helps people retain more information and stay engaged. Brainstorming is also essential. But instead of the usual methods, try something different. Use mind maps or draw your ideas instead of writing them down. Visualizing your thoughts can lead to unexpected connections and breakthroughs. Don't forget to collaborate. Sometimes, the best ideas come from bouncing thoughts off others. Join a creative group or find a brainstorming buddy. Playful collaboration can lead to innovative solutions. Lastly, allow yourself to daydream. It's not wasted time. Daydreaming can boost problem-solving skills and creativity. A study by the University of California, Santa Barbara, found that daydreaming improves creative thinking. Chapter 2. Mind-bending exercises. Flip your perspective. Sometimes, all you need to solve a problem is a fresh perspective. Mind-bending exercises can help you see things in new ways. Let's dive into some techniques that flip your thinking. Mirror writing is a fun and challenging exercise. Try writing your thoughts backward. It forces your brain to work differently, sparking new ideas. Leonardo da Vinci often used mirror writing in his notebooks, which some believe helped his creativity. Another technique is upside-down drawing. Draw a familiar object upside down. This disrupts your normal way of seeing and helps you focus on shapes and forms, not just the overall image. It's a great way to break out of your usual thought patterns. Walking in someone else's shoes is a classic but effective method. Literally or figuratively, seeing the world from another's viewpoint can open up new insights. Role-playing different scenarios can also be incredibly enlightening. Engage in activities that mix up your routine. Take a different route to work, try a new hobby, or rearrange your workspace. Changing your environment can lead to fresh ideas. Random word association is another powerful tool. Write down random words and try to connect them to your problem. This can lead to surprising and innovative solutions. For example, combining Apple and technology led to the creation of the Apple computer brand. Controlled chaos can also be beneficial. Embrace a bit of disorder in your creative process. Allowing some chaos can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. For example, the famous physicist Richard Feynman used to engage in seemingly irrelevant hobbies like playing the bongo drums, which he believed stimulated his creativity. Lastly, Practice mindfulness. Being present and aware can help you notice details you might otherwise overlook. Mindfulness can enhance your observational skills, leading to more creative insights. By flipping your perspective and engaging in these mind-bending exercises, you'll find new ways to tackle challenges and spark creativity. Chapter 3. Nature's Secrets. Harvesting inspiration from the wild. Nature is a great source of inspiration. Spending time outdoors can boost your creativity. Research shows that nature can improve cognitive function and creativity. A study by Stanford University found that walking in nature can increase creative output by 60%. Start by taking regular nature walks. Leave your phone behind and let your mind wander. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. This can help you relax and open up to new ideas. Biophilic design is another way to bring nature's inspiration indoors. This design concept integrates natural elements into your living and working spaces. Adding plants, natural light, and water features can create an environment that stimulates creativity. Studies show that biophilic design can reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Observe natural patterns. Nature is full of intricate patterns, from the spirals of a seashell to the branching of trees. These patterns, known as fractals, can be a great source of inspiration. Looking at fractals can reduce stress and improve concentration, according to research from the University of Oregon. Consider outdoor problem-solving retreats. Take your team or yourself to a natural setting to brainstorm. The change of scenery and fresh air can lead to breakthrough ideas. Many companies, like Apple and Google, use nature retreats to spark creativity. Try nature journaling. Spend time sketching or writing about your observations in nature. This practice can improve your attention to detail and help you see things from new angles. Famous naturalists like Charles Darwin used nature journaling to develop their groundbreaking theories. Don't forget to engage in ecotherapy. Gardening, hiking, or simply spending time in green spaces can have therapeutic effects. Studies show that ecotherapy can reduce anxiety and improve mood, which can lead to better creative thinking. Finally, look to biomimicry. This practice involves mimicking nature's designs and processes to solve human problems. The Shinkansen bullet train in Japan, for example, was inspired by the kingfisher's beak, resulting in a quieter and more efficient train. Chapter 4. Breaking Boundaries. The Art of Cross-Disciplinary Thinking. Cross-disciplinary thinking involves blending ideas from different fields. This can lead to innovative solutions. Some of the greatest inventions have come from combining concepts from diverse areas. Start by exploring fields outside your expertise. Read books, watch documentaries, or attend lectures in subjects you know little about. This can give you new perspectives and ideas. Steve Jobs once said, "Creativity is just connecting things." Look for patterns across disciplines. Many breakthroughs happen when people notice similarities between different fields. For example, the development of the MRI machine was inspired by techniques used in both chemistry and radiotechnology. Collaborate with people from different backgrounds. Diverse teams are more likely to come up with creative solutions. Research by McKinsey & Company found that diverse companies are 35% more likely to outperform their peers in terms of innovation. Attend cross-disciplinary conferences and workshops. These events bring together experts from various fields to share ideas and solve problems. They can be a great source of inspiration and networking. Engage in activities that require different skill sets. For example, learning a musical instrument can improve your mathematical thinking. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that musicians have better cognitive flexibility, which is key to creative thinking. Use analogies and metaphors from different fields. This can help you explain complex ideas in simple ways and see connections you might otherwise miss. Albert Einstein often used analogies from everyday life to explain his theories. Finally, encourage a culture of curiosity. Ask questions and seek to understand how things work, even if they're outside your field. Curiosity-driven research can lead to unexpected and groundbreaking discoveries. The Post-it note, for example, was invented when a scientist at 3M was curious about a weak adhesive's potential uses. By breaking boundaries and thinking across disciplines, you can find unique and innovative solutions to problems. Chapter 5. Randomness and Chaos. Finding Order in Disorder. Embracing randomness and chaos can lead to unexpected creativity. It might sound counterintuitive, but allowing a bit of disorder can spark innovative ideas. Start with serendipitous discovery. This means finding something valuable by accident. Many great inventions were discovered this way, like penicillin. Stay open to surprises and see where they lead you. Random word association is another powerful tool. Pick random words and try to connect them to your problem. This can lead to surprising solutions. For example, combining coffee and computers led to the idea of internet cafes. Engage in stream of consciousness writing. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write whatever comes to mind without stopping. This can help you uncover hidden thoughts and ideas. Try using random inputs to spark new thoughts. Use apps or websites that generate random images, words, or sounds. Incorporate these into your brainstorming sessions. Allow controlled chaos in your workspace. A bit of mess can lead to creative connections. Studies show that a messy desk can actually enhance creative thinking. A study from the University of Minnesota found that people in messy rooms generated more creative ideas than those in tidy rooms. Engage in improvisation activities. Improv exercises force you to think on your feet and come up with creative solutions quickly. This can be a fun way to boost your creativity. Another technique is to shuffle your tasks. Switch between different projects or activities throughout the day. This can keep your mind fresh and open to new ideas. Lastly, use the concept of planned randomness. Schedule time for activities that you normally wouldn't do. This can be as simple as reading a different genre of book or trying a new hobby. These new experiences can provide fresh perspectives. Chapter 6: Future Gazing. Imaginative forecasting for creative solutions. Looking to the future can help spark creative solutions today. Imaginative forecasting involves envisioning future possibilities and using them to inspire current innovations. Start with speculative design. This practice involves creating products or scenarios based on future possibilities. It can help you think beyond the present and imagine what could be. For example, sci-fi writers often use speculative design to create their futuristic worlds. Future scenario planning is another powerful tool. This involves creating detailed scenarios of possible futures and exploring their implications. Businesses use this technique to anticipate changes and stay ahead of the curve. Shell, the global energy company, has been using scenario planning for decades to navigate complex future landscapes. Engage in science fiction storytelling. Write stories or create art based on futuristic themes. This can help you explore new ideas in a creative way. Many tech innovations, like the tablet, were inspired by science fiction. Consider using backcasting. This technique involves imagining a desirable future and then working backward to determine the steps needed to achieve it. It's a powerful way to set goals and inspire innovation. Use trend analysis to predict future developments. Look at current trends and extrapolate them into the future. This can help you anticipate changes and come up with creative solutions. For example, the rise of remote work was predicted by analyzing trends in digital communication and technology. Engage with futurist communities. Join groups or attend conferences that focus on future studies. These communities are filled with people who are passionate about exploring what's next. Lastly, practice future-oriented mindfulness. This involves staying present while also keeping an eye on future possibilities. It's about balancing the here and now with what could be. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that mindfulness can enhance cognitive flexibility, which is crucial for creative thinking. By gazing into the future and using imaginative forecasting, you can find innovative solutions to today's problems.